Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. So today I am going to start from sum number 25. In sum number 25, exercise 20 trigonometry. It's height and distance problem. So here sum number 25 is as same as sum number 19. So you can watch the previous video in YouTube and the link will be in description. Now sum number 26. In sum number 26, the angles of depression of two ships A and B observed from the top of a lighthouse which is 60 meter high. Okay, so first draw, that is the ground level, and that is AB. Sorry, yes, AB. Here AB is the lighthouse and which is 60 meter high. Now that is the angle of depression are 60 degree and 45 degree respectively of the two ships, and the two ships are opposite side of the lighthouse. So suppose that is the position of the first ship and that is the position of the second ship. So here C and D is the position of first and second ship, which is the opposite side of the lighthouse. Now you have to draw the angle of depression. So that is point is C. So angle of depression, the first one is 60 degree and second one is 45 degree. So here 60 degree is the angle of depression and there is the alternative angle of this one, so that equal to also 60. Here the angle of depression is 45 degree, so alternative angle that equal to 45 degree. Now you have to find the distance between two ships. That means you have to find out the distance between C and D, correct up to nearest whole number. So here from the first triangle, in this first triangle ABC, so in the from first triangle ABC, here AB by BC that equal to tan 60 and that means root 3. So AB means 60 meter, so 60 equal to BC root 3. So here BC equal to 60 by root 3. Now by rationalize you will get 60 root 3 by 3, so that equal to 20 root 3. So here the value of BC equal to 20 root 3. Now root 3 means 1.732, so 20 into 1.732 and you will get 34.64 meter. Now next one from triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AB by base that is BD that equal to tan 45, that means 1. So as AB equal to 60, so AB equal to BD into 1, so BD, that means BD equal to also 60. Now as BD equal to 60 and BC equal to 34.64, so the value of CD, that means the distance between two ships, equal to 34.64 plus 60, that equal to 94.64, which is nearest to 95. So 95 meter is the final answer. Now sum number 27. Sum number 27 are as same as sum number 26. So I hope you can solve this problem. Now sum number 28. In sum number 28, from a tower 126 meter high, the angle of depression of two rocks which are horizontal line through the base of the tower. So here that is the tower which is height is equal to 126 meter. Suppose CD is the tower and here the two rocks A and B. A is the first position of the rock and second is the second position of the rock. Now the angle of depression is 16 degree and 12 degree 20 minute. So first angle of depression of the first tower, that equal to 16 degree and second tower that equal to 12 degree 20 minute. So by alternative angle that will equal to 16 degree this one, and this one equal to 12 degree 20 minute. So here now you have to find out the distance between two rocks when it's same side or the opposite side. So that is the diagram of the problem where the two rocks are in the same side. That means here the tower, so two rocks are the same side. Now in the next drawing we will show how to draw the two rocks on the opposite side. So first solve this one. So here in first triangle CAD. So first triangle CAD, here CD by AD equal to 1016. CD by AD equal to 1016. So the value of 1016 you will get in the trigonometry table, and that equal to 0.2867. So here CD equal to 126. So 126 equal to AD into 0.2867. So AD equal to 126 divided by this one, and you will get 439.48. Correct up to 2 decimal. Okay. Now next one from triangle CDB. CDB, that equal to CD by BD, as BD is the base, that equal to 10, 12 degree 20 minute. Now value of 10, 12 degree 20 minute, that equal to 0.2186. So as CD equal to 126, so BD equal to 126 divided by 0.2186, and that equal to 576.40. Now as BD, that means the whole base, the BD, the whole base, so that equal to 576.40, and AD equal to 439.48. Now we have to find out the value of the distance between two rocks. That means you have to find out the distance between A and B. So to get the distance between A and B, just subtract this value from this one. Okay, so that means 576.40 minus 439.48, and that equal to 136.92. So 136.9.2 is the value of AB, and that is the first answer. Now in the second case, where two rocks are the opposite side of the tower. So that is the diagram where CD is the tower, and here A is the first rock and B is the second rock. So here two rocks are the opposite side of the tower. So from that triangle, first you have to find out the value of DA. So to get the value of DA, that is the same, that is CD is the perpendicular and DA is the base. So 1016, and you will get the answer here 1016, and you will get 439.48. Okay, so here the value of AD equal to 43948. The second one, for the second one, here CD by BD. Okay, for the second one, CD by BD, so here you will get BD equal to 576.40. Okay, now to get the value of AB, as here AB is the distance between two rocks, so here AB equal to BD plus this one. That means you have to add these two numbers, and finally you will get 1015.88 meter. Okay, so 1015.88 meter is the distance between rocks when it lie the opposite side of the triangle of the tower. Sum number 29. In sum number 29, a man 1.8 meter high stand at a distance of 3.6 meter from a lamp post and cast a shadow of 5.4 meter on the ground. So here CD is the height of the CD is the height of the man. So suppose this is CD, and the lamp post here, that is the lamp post, which is AB. So AB denote as the lamp post, CD denotes as the man, height of the man. So here the shadow, so shadow means this one. Suppose DF is the shadow. So first the distance between the man and the lamp post, that equal to 3.6, and the length of the shadow, that equal to 5.4. Now that is the angle. So suppose this one theta, that is the angle, and this one theta. If this one 3.6, then this one also 3.6. Now you have to find the height of the lamp post. That means you have to find out the length of AB. So that equal to E. Just connect this one. Okay, so as this one equal to theta, so this one also theta. Okay, that is now here AB, in the AB is the lamp post. So first from this triangle AEC. Okay, so here triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, AE by CE that equal to tan theta. Okay, AE by CE that equal to tan theta. So here AE and the value of CE, so CE equal to 3.6 that equal to tan theta. Okay, so tan theta equal to AE by 3.6. Now in the next triangle, CDF, so triangle CDF, you will get CD by FD and that equal to also tan theta. Now value of CD will be same, and here value of FD equal to 5.4. So CD by 5.4 that equal to also tan theta. Now here tan theta equal to AE by 3.6, here tan theta equal to CD by 5.4. So we can write that AE by 3.6 equal to CD by 5.4. Okay, so AE by 3.6 equal to CD equal to 5.4. Now here in the question that the height of the man that equal to 1.8 meter, it's given. Okay, so here if you put down the value of CD that equal to 1.8 by 5.4 tan theta, so you will get that equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 equal to tan theta. Okay, now here 3 by AE by 3.6 and that equal to tan theta. So as the value of tan theta equal to 1 by 3, so just write down here 1 by 3. That means AE equal to 3.6 by 3. Okay, so that equal to 1.2. So as AE equal to 1.2 and this one equal to 1.8, so the total height of AB equal to 1.8 plus 1.2 that equal to 3.0 or 3 meter. So 3 meter is the final answer. Sum number 30. So sum number 30 is the last sum in this video. So here the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of 8 meter tall building. Suppose this is the 8 meter tall building from the top of the multi-storied building. This is the multi-storied building. So here the angle of depression from the top and bottom. So first one is draw the bottom and here the top. Okay, so angle of depression. Now the first that equal to 30 degree and that equal to 60 degree. So first draw a parallel line of the base. So if this one equal to 30, so this one equal to also 30 degree. If this one equal to 60, so this one equal to 60 degree, the alternative angle. So suppose here AB is the multi-storied building and CD equal to the tall building. Okay, so that equal to E. So DB is the ground level as CD equal to 8 meter, so EB equal to also 8 meter, and so here AE. Okay, now from triangle this one. Okay, from triangle ACE, AE by CE that equal to tan 30 degree. Now value of tan 30 that equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so AE equal to CE by root 3. Okay, so that is the first one, AE equal to CE by root 3. Now the second one thing, sorry, this is not 60 degree, sorry, this one equal to 45 degree. First one equal to 30 degree and second one equal to 45 degree, not 60 degree. So here AE equal to CE by root 3. Now the next triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AB is the total perpendicular, AB by DB equal to tan 45. As tan 45 equal to 1, so we can write here AB equal to DB. Okay, so here AB equal to DB. Now as DB is equal to CE, so we can write here CE also. So that means AB equal to CE. Now here AB means AE plus EB. So just write down here AE plus EB that equal to CE. Now next one AE. Here the value of AE equal to CE by root 3. So write down here CE by root 3. EB equal to 8 meter. So write down here 8 and that equal to CE. Now CE by root 3 minus CE that equal to minus 8. So here if minus CE will be common, then 1 minus 1 by root 3, and that equal to minus 8. Minus minus cancel out, so CE equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3, that equal to 8. So CE equal to 8 into root 3 by root 3 minus 1. Now if we rationalize this one, so root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1, so that will be 8 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, that becomes 2. So here 4 root 3 into root 3 plus 1. So 4 root 3 into root 3 plus 1, and if you put down the value of root 3 equal to 1.732, so you will get the final value, that equal to 18.93 meter approx. Okay, so as CE equal to this one, so as CE equal to AB, we already get that CE equal to AB, and AB is the height of the multi-storied building. So here AB is the value, so the value of AB equal to 18.93, and which is the final answer.